How to reset YouTube recommendations. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your YouTube recommendations, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we are going to do first is to go into our YouTube app. Perfectly, now when you're on your YouTube app, then what you need to do is to click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Perfect, as you can see, you will then be taken to this page right here. And what we need to do now is to click where it says settings. Perfect, and when you have come to this page right here, what you need to do now is to click where it says history and privacy. Great, as you can see, you will now be taken to this page right here. You can see that there's a couple of options right here, for example, clear search history, but in this case we need to click where it says clear watch history actually. Perfectly, as you can see in here, your video recommendation will be reset, which means that when you click on clear watch history and you go back to your either your computer or your YouTube app, then you should actually see like new YouTube recommendations for you and not like before, because now you will just like clear all your watch history, so YouTube doesn't really know what you're interested in, so it's just going to give you like random suggestions to start off with, basically after you are clicked where it says clear watch history. So this is basically exactly how to do so. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and please subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.